Everybody, I'm going to do a video of my polished brass 52-inch Hunter Passport 2 from 1995, and this is one of my most recent acquisitions. And I got this thinking it was new in the box. I mean, it came in its original box, but I opened it and the blades were already taken out of the package, and then I looked down, saw the motor. There was a down rod on it without the hanger ball attached. Well, the down rod was attached to the motor, but it did not have the mounting bracket, nor the canopy, nor the hanger ball. So thankfully I had spares, and that's what you see on it. I was able to complete it because I had hanging here way back when a Hunter Legacy, which by the way I parted out because the housing was rusted out and the bearings were bad on it, so I decided to just scrap it. I saved the blades and arms and other internal parts. But let's have a look at the Hunter logo. There's the canopy. And the filigree sideband was what set this model apart from the Hunter Mayfair, which has a ribbed sideband. And the faceplate, it's got the Summer Breeze / Mayfair vents, the generic looking blade arms. And these were the blades that came with the fan. I decided to put the walnut finish down because my Summer Breeze in this finish has the oak side down. I thought, you know, so I wouldn't get them mixed up, if you know what I mean. And there is the oak. And the schoolhouse light was something that I added. I had a spare 4-inch fitter. I took off another fan, decided it would look cool on this one. And fellow collector who goes under the name E-Man Fan, you can check out his channel. Moved into a new place and put up one of these that is very, very, very reminiscent of this, albeit with the Air Max motor. It's a little bit newer, but just as good, I'd say. And I'm doing this in honor of you, Emmanuel. And before I turn on the light, use these pull chains if they look familiar to you. I just love these. And let's shed a little light on the situation, shall we? It is illuminated, though. I'm doing this in broad daylight. I revved up some of the background fans because it's mighty hot. It's at least 90 degrees out today. But at least summer is here. Lights out. There's the reverse switch. And I think it might have been used before, but probably not. I don't know why they probably just took it down, didn't want it, put it back in the original box, and forgot to include some of the essential parts. But hey, you get what you pay for. It's only $8, so I guess it was too good to be true, but thankfully I had spares, like I said before. And let's rev it up. First on low. Oh, these Hunters are childhood fans of mine, by the way. Mainly the Mayfair, but the his Passport cousins are a close second. Medium. And high. It's well balanced too. And she's cranking out a lot of air on high, just like a Hunter should. And the blade arms didn't come with the fan, but they were spares that I had, so and the ones that did come with it, they're still in the original wrapping, so it's kind of baffling. It's a real head scratcher to say the least. That's a nice airflow. I think we will power him down now. Yeah, these are classic Hunters, by the way. I mean, this was sold predominantly at Home Depot back in the 90s, even into the mid-2000s. In the early 2000s, they came out with the Passport 3, which wasn't a bad fan. It wasn't a bad-looking fan. Still not as good as this, but it was, you know, better than what they have on display today, especially in the Hunter line. I don't know why Hunter ever had to deviate from this style. I thought it looked pretty cool, to be honest with you. It's in pretty good shape. Very okay, fan has ceased operation, and the air-cooled hugger over there stopped first in just a matter of seconds. There's my Brown Hunt Original from 2003, thanks to Brian Peterson. I got almost, I think it was about a year ago today that I got it when I met up with you in Akron for sale, and then we ventured on to Akron, and I got this in trade for my KDK. All you said was done. And I put new blade arms on it so it doesn't wobble anymore on the lower speeds, which is kind of ironic. Casablanca Delta 1, thank you Dan Newman. That's another one from Dan Newman. Actually, it's from Jeremy Malugan. This is a Casablanca Delta 2. It's run on high. I'm going to leave it up here for a while because it's going to be a good air mover. It looks great. It looks like it came out of a lighting showroom, the way it's... I guess that's the way the light's bouncing off of it, but anyway, don't want to make this too lengthy, but... Okay. I'm going to sign off now. This concludes our broadcast day. Thank you for watching. More to come.